A Course in Miracles by the Foundation for Inner Peace. Let us start with an introduction to the purpose, process, and practice of psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is the only form of therapy there is. Since only the mind can be sick, only the mind can be healed. Only the mind is in need of healing. This does not appear to be the case, for the manifestations of this world seem real indeed. Psychotherapy is necessary so that an individual can begin to question their reality. Sometimes he is able to start to open his mind without formal help, but even then it is always some change in his perception of interpersonal relationships that enables him to do so. Sometimes he needs a more structured, extended relationship with an official therapist. Either way, the task is the same. The patient must be helped to change his mind about the reality of illusions. We will start with a deep investigation and understanding of this paragraph. An intent, desire, and need for healing, and an understanding that healing is a return to sanity, and a return to sanity is necessary in order to return to wholeness and be a part of the unity that is the all. For we are the children of light. We are the all. We are love. We must heal. I love you. Thank you for climbing with me.